Have you ever wanted to make soft, fluffy, golden dinner rolls but thought it was too complicated? What if I told you that you could make the most pillowy bakery-style rolls with no kneading at all? No long kneading, just mix, rest, and bake for the easiest homemade bread ever. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a delicious, easy recipe. And to my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate your support. In a large mixing bowl, add in lukewarm milk, sugar, and melted butter. Give it a quick stir. Then you add in your yeast and properly stir to combine. Afterwards, you then add in your eggs and your already sifted flour and salt. Mix until everything is properly combined. The dough will be very soft and slightly sticky, and this is very okay because we don't need to knead it. You just allow the yeast to do the work. If you have watched until this point and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'd be first to know. Cover the bowl with a clean towel and let the dough rise for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. I placed mine in the oven to rise very fast. Once your dough has risen beautifully, punch it down to release all the trapped air and gently smoothen the dough, just as seen in the video, until it looks like this. Then you go ahead to transfer it onto your work surface and then divide the dough into 2 equal halves. Then you further divide the dough into equal sized pieces, about the size of a small ball. Lightly flour your hands and roll each dough, properly tucking it in to secure it. And place them into a greased baking dish, leaving space between each roll so they have room to expand, just like I'm doing in the video. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Kindly check it out. Also, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you. Now you cover them again and let them rest for another 45 minutes. This is the final proving, and this proving makes your bread dough extra light and fluffy. Once your rolls are puffed up, place in the preheated oven and bake at 175°C for 15 to 18 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown. Brush the top with butter and allow to cool for about 15 minutes. And just like that, our no-knead dinner rolls are ready. Look at that soft, pillowy texture, so fluffy and light. These are perfect for dinners, sandwiches, or just enjoying with butter. If you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any video. If you are excited to try this, type fluffy in the comments. I would love to hear how yours turn out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.